Hi friends, today's class is about output determination, condition technique in SAP. So output determination is this configuration is based upon the condition technique in SAP as we have seen in pricing procedure. So the similar kind of condition technique here also it is applied. Okay, so what is output determination? First of all, output determination automates the generation and distribution of business documents like invoices, order confirmation, delivery notes. It is supports automatic document creation based on business rules, multiple channels, print, email, PDI, and fax, ensures accuracy and compliance process efficiency as well. So what is condition technique? The powerful, flexible, adaptable methodology which is used by SAP, but confess significant information, including pricing, output control. Building blocks for the condition technique is first table. We create a table and we do it in access. That table we add it to the access sequence. Here, which table will be searched first, which table will be searched at the last. So this sequence is maintained. And here you can see this type. The output type is configured to even map to access sequence. So there is output for output type. It is mapped to output determination procedure. Just like in the pricing condition type is assigned to pricing procedure. So here also output determination procedure is created. Now comes to input. What is the input for determination? Document header and item data triggers the check, and the system searches the condition table based upon the access sequence priority. When a match is found condition, the output is proposed. Execution parameters like transmission medium and printer are. Definition identifies the document type BA00, suppose for it is for order confirmation, and contains the processing routines and dispatch time. How it is configured? It is configured in NIC. NIC for each document type, this routines, dispatch time, and transmission medium is mapped. Here defines also to whom the output is sent. So that is sold to party or simple. Defines the order types, search order, defines the order type, the order of tables to search more specific to general. Flexibility allows the system to find the best fitting data records. Configuration linked to condition tables via NASC transaction. Procedure, we need to create a output determination procedure similar to pricing procedure. So here a grouping of output types assigned to specific applications of P100 is per sales. Maps the determination procedure with your specific document type. Condition records serve as the mandation master data for the business rules as well. So when wherever suppose for any sales order, for a sales order with the PA00, the sales order confirmation has to be triggered. Suppose it is for specific customer, so you have to maintain the record for the specific customer. If it is for the customer group, you can maintain for the customer group. So as the sequence, access sequence of the condition tables supported. Okay, so you have to create like that. If for my business rule says that for all customers for this customer group has to be triggered, so I need to configure for the customer group level. You can see this example. You can see this sales order type, sales organization, document type, output type, and medium. So EV11, you have to create this combination so that your output type is given. And for this kind of configuration, already we have told this output type should be there in the output determination procedure, which is mapped to OR. Okay, so any the document type. Okay, so here you have the mediums which are permitted, that is already configured in this NAS, and you have to just create a condition record like that. Check condition records partners. Suppose you have the issues, output not triggering, condition records check, not functions, and access sequence configuration, where you should see Suppose it is for the sales order VL03. If it is for the delivery order, it is VL03N, and it's for the billing document should be F03. So output determination, we'll go to SPRO. We'll see here. You can see that. You can see the sales order. You can go to basic functions here, output requirements. The requirement where it should trigger, where it should not trigger, and on what action it should trigger. Suppose this is V2, applicable for V2, routine number is. It is checking that the if delivery GI is posted, then only this. Suppose this routine number is mapped to some output type. So what will happen is, so until unless GI is triggered, GI is posted, it will not trigger. That output type will not. We'll see how we can configure. Okay, now next is maintain output determination procedure. You have the order output. This is standard. Suppose you would like to customize, so you will go to copy, and you are not going to change this standard one. Suppose if new order type is getting for business, you are getting for business. So that is J, and your output order type is J. So this is the best practice. This is best practice. What we follow is we copy the order output type, and let us see what all it is. So here you can see this. This is a standard procedure. So one by one, the condition types are added, output condition types, and here you can go to see the requirement type. So what is the requirement type? It is order is confirmed. Suppose the sales line schedule line is confirmed already in the sales order, then only it will trigger. If it is not confirmed, it will not trigger. So like that, the requirement type is there. Okay. So suppose I will customize for this BA00. Okay, now so here procedure, and I will assign this procedure to my sales document header. So what is my sales document header? FUR. And if you see this order type, we will go for this is assigned. So now you will see the output type once you customize. So next is the requirement of customization came. It is because you are going to customize the output type BA00. So here you go to BA00 and you copy. Go to edit and then you copy. So copy this. You have this J BA0, and these are the confirmation of everything. Why you created it is allowed for English. You don't repeat. Okay, now we see it is the medium you are configuring, print output sold to party. Packs also sold to party, EDI also it is you are configuring. Okay, now it is okay. So all the independent objects are copied. Now you can use this JBA00. And what is the JBA00? So access sequence is order time. Now let us see the access sequence. So I'll just save it because the access sequence. You see the access sequence, maintain access sequence. My access sequence is, you see, for 0004 you have the access sequence. You go to accesses, here order type is assigned, so you go to fields. You can see this order type basically on the order types. Now what you like to do is, here the I will customize the access sequence because business requires for different combination. So the access sequence is, so suppose it is J004. I'll come to this description later on. Okay, this access sequence go. Now we go to accesses. Here I have the table 0005. Suppose my organization requires that I will go for customer group level. Okay, so here let me see whether I can do this customer group level. So I'll go for new entries and we just search the table. So this is only the tables which is allowed. Now what I can do is, I'll go for name, I create table, go to create more and create a table 807. So here I'll give the description later on. So what we'll do is, first is sales organization. Sales organization, and then you will decide the distribution channel, and then you go for the customer. Now for this you are creating a table. Now this table is created. So now you attach this table to the access sequence. So this is there is a requirement that you should go for this access sequence, sorry, this key combination. So you will maintain an access sequence which you have customized. Now go to J004 and go to accesses, here fields. It will not go for, you are not going to take it for this order type. All entries you delete. Okay, cancel, number deleted, and you are going to new entry. You are going to give 807 which you have. So now 1, cancel, save it. So deleted. So let us go to J001 again, accesses. You see this, delete all entries. So number deleted. Entries is 1. So you go to new. So 807. Okay. 1. Go for 2. So now save it. Field assignment is not made. Okay. So what you can do is, you can go to go to this class 59 and this table. Okay, go to change. Application services for the city. Okay, so go for customization request here. Sales and distribution, go to receive functions, determination, condition technique, maintain. Here the output condition table, go to 807 and you go to technical view. So field assignments, generate, save. Okay. Now coming to this, coming to the access sequence. Here, go to fields, field assignment, go to save. Yes, here. Cancel, 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 cancel. Save the changes, it's saved. Now, so this is created. Now you go to your access sequence is created. So here, output types. What is that output type? JBA0. So this output type, go to edit mode, position JBA0, and this output type, go to double click, change the access sequence. What is the access sequence? J004 here. So now, what is the configuration you are doing? Send it the periodical scheduled job, print output, where it should go, cut out of SP, or print is sales organization, then here, delivery and this one. Okay, go to mail, document order confirmation. Okay, processing routines, you can see this. So you have some customization of forms, then you can attach to that. Customization of programs, you can also attach. Okay, and see the partner functions which is assigned is SP. So go for save, and this ZBA0 you are going to assign it. See this partner function, output type. What is the output type? JBA0. It is assigned already. Go to maintain output procedure. Here this JB100. Go to control data, and this you replace with JBA0 here. So this is the customization that business wanted to do. So they customize one form and also the program, because some fields calculation get to be added. So here that you updated in the output type configuration. So their access fields also changed, the programs and everything changed. Now the output type you are mapping to the output order output type, order output procedure. So now save. So here this is output is configured. Now your output determination procedure, we were left with it. We were left with this. We have assigned procedure here JBA0. JBA0 you have to assign, save. So here exit. Now all these configurations are over. Now what you need to do is /o VA01, we create a sales order. TPOR wait for 6500. here, and you go for 50508. Suppose it is 5 quantity. So my schedule line should confirm. So it is given getting confirm. So save. Once I see save, I will go for this 155 and go to header sales. Go for extras, output header heading. So here you are seeing there is no output triggered. Okay. Why it's not triggered? It is because you have not maintained the condition record for that customer group. So here JBA 0, go for 8, and you see JP 00, JP customer group is 01. So what is that? What is the function? You go for SP. Partner function is SP. Go to SP. So it will go to SP. Okay. And what is the partner? Partner is automatically will come. Enter. So partner will automatically come. That is the it will automatically. And what is the language you should trigger? It is for EL. And what is the medium? It should go is print out. Okay. And suppose it will go to 0 to customer group SP. I will maintain as external send. So it will go for an email. If I do a date and time, we will make it purpose that it will immediately go 1 PA 00 with condition type. Go for JP 00. Function is GSP. Medium is 1. Different position 1. So it is sensor document type. JP over. I will go for language. It's EL. Save. Go to communication. Here, 301. Save. Save. Now, exit. We go for VB 13. Let me see the key combination. It is there or not. Execute. So now I will go for VA02 and 156. Here I'll go for go to express output as the VA00 is bigger. Now go to further data and save it to an application.